Hello everyone. Well, I'm at it again. I'm making another flavor of ice cream. This time I'm making 3-ingredient coffee ice cream. I'm going to see if I can do this without blocking your view of it. I love how that goes in like that. So this time I'm using sweetened condensed milk, but this brand I'm using is called Lucera, I believe. Let me see if I'm pronouncing that. Lechera by Nestle. Sweetened condensed milk. And it says new look, mismo sabor, which means same taste. Alright, so let me get this scraped out of here. So this time it's 3 ingredients because with the chai tea, as much as I liked it, it wasn't quite as creamy. I mean, it was creamy, but I like my ice cream a little creamier. So in this one, I'm going to put a bit of evaporated milk as well. And my coffee, I had about 2 cups. It was just right on the line, just a little under 2 cups of very strong coffee. I basically 2.5 times the amount of coffee beans. And I used my French press. Remember this guy? I used my French press to make the coffee. Alright, I think I got just about all of that out. Still got a few drips here and there. Not a problem. So, I'm going to go ahead and... So this was 14 ounces of condensed sweetened milk. So 2 cups of double strength coffee, or you can make it even a little stronger if you like. And then I'm going to put in about a 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. Alright. Let's put the lid on this. I found this cool little thing. I think it was in the pet department, but you know, it kind of works to cover my evaporated milk so I can use it later in coffee, whatever. Alright. So now we want to mix this up until it is a consistent color. Till it's well blended. I like how that's looking. Okay, I think that's good. And again, I had everything in the refrigerator chilling before I brought it out here. You could pre-mix everything. It would probably blend a little better if everything was a little warmer. And then chill everything together, covered in the refrigerator. It's up to you. But anyway, so that's that. Let me get my freezer out and get started making this into ice cream. Alright, so you know how this goes. I pour in the mixture, and I'm going to scrape it out. So to be honest, the main reason why I used the Lucera today is because it was 20 cents cheaper than the other brand. And there was no, I didn't see a, what do you call that? An off-brand or a store brand. So, okay. But I tasted a little bit of the cherry. It's close to the taste of the carnation one that I'm used to. So I'm sure it's going to be very good, just as good. Okay, so let's get this started. It looks more like a coffee freeze than a coffee ice cream. And the thing about this is this canister, the freezer canister, only stays icy cold for about 20 minutes, and it's been almost 25 minutes. I don't know, did you see anything but the size of my hand there? Okay. So, just a disclaimer, you don't ever want to touch metal to the sides of your ice cream maker because it will scratch it. But I just wanted to show you what the coffee ice cream look like, or what it looks like. I'm going to take a little taste here before I put it in my container. A little taste. Alright. Oh wow. Oh man, that's good. I have the flavor combination is just right. So yeah, I just wish it was frozen a little more. Now on the sides it's like frozen solid. Alright, so that's how you make coffee ice cream, or you can just call it like a frozen frappe. So I'm going to put it into the freezer and let it get a little harder and see how it goes. Alright, well thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. I'll see you next time.